students, today I explain you how to factorize. Here 4 terms are there and first two terms, this two term is cubic form. So 8a cube, that is 2a cube. 2 cube 8 and a cube. B cube. Correct? Later on, what is the common in these two terms? Last two terms, what is the common? So common is 6ab. If 6ab should be common, what is the remaining number? 6 2 ja 12, that means 2, and what is common? A. Because 1a is here, so 1a and b should be common. What is the common? 6ab should be common. What is the remaining? Only b. Clear? Later on, 2a cube plus b cube. Factorize this 6ab, correct? So 3 into 2a into b. Why should we factorize this way? 3 is for formula, 2a from here and b, and that is 3 to just 6ab. And bracket should be like that only, 2a plus b. Yesterday I explained a plus b whole cube formula, expand, correct? So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. So answer will be 2a plus b whole cube. Yes, that reverse method yesterday I explained. 2a plus whole cube, that sum is there, then we have to write this way, later on this way, and we will get answer this. In factorization, totally reverse method. Expand and factorize, totally reverse method. Now next, 27, that is 3 cube. 125, that means 5a cube. Now here what is the common in these two? Listen, here you can write like factor here, 15 9 ja, correct? 15 ja 25, 2 to 5. So what is the common in these two? 15 3 ja, 45 should be common and a. If 45 common, then what is remaining? 3. Minus should be common, so sign will be changed. So inside the bracket, minus. And 15 3 ja 45, so what is remaining? 5a. Correct? Now again, 3 cube minus 5a cube, 3 5a. Factorize of these 45. 3 for formula, 3 5a. It is, listen, 3 3 ja 9, 5 ja 45. Correct? And 3 minus 5a. Now again, formula a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. That means 3 minus 5a whole cube. That is the answer. Now in this sum, 64a cube, that means 4a whole cube. 64, that means 4 cube. 27, that means 3b whole cube. Correct? Understood? Now what is the common in these two? Here you have to write the factors, like then you can easily get common. 16 9 ja, correct? 12 9 ja 108. 16, that means 4 into. Here 16 9 ja, that means 4 into 4. 4 and 9 should be common. दिख रहा है ना? Correct? So 36ab. 4 into 9, that means 36ab should be common. What is the remaining? 4a minus 3b. Correct? Later on, 4a cube minus 3b whole cube, 3 4a and 3b. Why this? 4 9 ja 36ab and 4a minus 3b. Now listen, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. That means 4a minus 3b whole cube. In this sum you have to just understand this, how to get common. So write the factors here, correct? Later on, what is the common in these two? So 9 4 ja 36ab AB you can easily find the common. Correct? Later on, what is the remaining? 4A minus 3B. Then you have to apply the formula and get the answer.